It's a beautiful, beautiful, lovely day. And I'm trying to think, what can we talk about? I will say this, y'all. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Y'all hear the birds chirping? So beautiful. Y'all, I was watching, you know I don't really watch the news, but I was watching a little bit of the George Floyd situation case. Very bad situation, but however, you can run, but you can't hide. That's all I want to say about that. You can run, but you can't hide. What I mean by that is you can think you're getting away with something, but you can't get away with nothing with him. He sits high and he looks low. And even if that person even thinks that they may be getting away with something, they're not, you guys. Because trust me, in their own mind, they're going to be wrestling. In their home life, like their family, they're going to be wrestling. They're going to be wrestling with not knowing if someone's going to come for your family and do the same thing to you, or, you know, the Father's going to come for you. He really is. So guys, don't take it upon yourself to do things in your own actions. Let the law deal with those people. Let them deal with those people. But you won't get away with nothing, because it's nothing that we do is unseen. So I do want to say that. And yeah, guys, with that being said, thanks for tuning in to Tea Time. I hope you guys enjoyed that little message. Let's drink. Hope you had your coffee, your tea, your orange juice. Just sit back sometimes, guys, and enjoy the finer things in life. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful out here. So beautiful. Right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Monday. It is the 19th of April, and it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, y'all. Well, the sun is shining, the blue skies, the clouds are beautiful. Let me see what else. That we are alive is beautiful. That I can talk to y'all right now is beautiful. So my plans for today, I'm not sure, y'all. I'm just gonna go with whatever is going to happen today. But I am on my way right now to okay, where are these guys trying to go? Are you trying to turn my way, or let's see. Hold on, y'all. Trying to figure out where these where this truck is going. Are they taking pictures of somebody's house or something? Oh yeah, that's what he's doing. Okay, sorry. But anyway, I do have to edit some videos today. For the last couple of videos, oh, he's taking pictures of the street sign or something. Yeah, but I have to edit some videos. But guys, go and check out the video on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Guys, I made a salad yesterday. It was so good. I think you guys should try it. I don't think I'm no chef or anything, but I really think you guys should try it. It was really, really good, and we had some wine to go along with it. That's what really took it to a whole nother level. And it was a beautiful thing, y'all. It was a beautiful thing. So go check me out on Simply Black Vegan if you're new here. And yeah, so I am going to plant the tomato plants today, the tomato seeds today. I'm going to get that done because we might be going out of town And I know I checked the weather and it says that I think here this week in Ohio, it's not going to be that great of weather. But I'd rather have the seeds in the ground, I mean in the dirt, you know, until it gets a little warmer. It's about that time. It is like almost, it's mid-April, so nothing wrong with getting those seeds in there. I'm thinking that's about what else is going on today. As far as the house situation stuff at the house, don't have anything to do. I don't know, but I will bring y'all along the process of me planting the tomato seeds today. I am on the hunt. I think I told y'all I need a metal tin, garbage can, small, short, with a lid to it, so I can put my all my compost in there, all my scraps and stuff, and mix it with dirt so I can get my compost going. We need not sod, what is it called? We need topsoil for the backyard, certain areas, and some grass seeds, so that needs to be done as well. And I think that's about it, guys. I got on my glasses, guys. Look at my glasses. Y'all like them? I like them. They're different. And it seems so funny because all my other glasses that I have here, I'll show you guys. Y'all know I have this pair here. I also have this pair here that I like with the flowers on it. And then I have this other pair here, these, which I adore as well. But one thing about, I guess, new glasses, these feel so tight on my face. I had to like open them and spread them a little bit for them to actually go on there, but I like them. So this is like my 4th pair of glasses. So that means, what does that mean? Sonia, you got 4 pair. You probably need to get rid of one. So I'll probably, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, guys, that's all right now that's going on. Just wanted to bring you guys along and fill you in on some updates and what's going on in my neck of the woods today. The temperature right now is 57. It's supposed to get up to 60. So yeah, I'll see you guys later though. Okay, I'll see you guys once I return back home. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I'm just sitting here trying to get my mind wrapped around all the things that I have to do. Not a lot to do, but I do not have to cook, so thank God for that. I actually was just sitting here just thinking, looking out the window. It's really a nice day, y'all. Really, really nice. The sun is out. It's a little breezy, but I'll take it. But I don't have to cook tonight, which is a blessing. he has some of his dinner left from last night. Go check out the video, Simply Black Vegan, of what I made. It's so good, so good. So let me see, what else? Don't have to cook because I have that. He has that. And then we have leftover lentil soup from, I think, the day before yesterday. So I'm going to eat that. I do have to go to Aldi's probably after I finish bringing y'all the video for me planting these tomatoes, getting them in the dirt. I did find a container in the garage that I'm going to use for the tomatoes. And then later on, I'll think of something that I can stick in there for them to vine. Because, you know, you usually have to stick the cone-looking metal thing in there for them to vine, but until they start coming up, I won't stick anything on there now, but I will show y'all in the next clip of me planting and getting the seeds into the container that I'm going to use for now. Do have to pack clothes for where we're going. Super excited about that. I'm not going to tell y'all yet, but yeah, so I'm trying to think what else. No dinner, pack, tomato. I think that's it. Like I said, I'm gonna stop at Aldi's to get a few things for us, and like water, extras, just extra little things. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next clip. Hold the line, please, and then yeah, I'll see you guys momentarily. guys, I'm back. But before I end this video, I just wanted to give you some updates. I had to come and get me a glass of wine. I needed it, really needed it. But I'll show you the things that I picked up from Aldi. You probably can see them behind me. Just a few things, and I got dinner cooking. So real quick, we got snacks here, oatmeal packs for easy, take some, you can mix it with water. Gonna make some gonna make some peanut butter crackers. I got chips, some more of these good things. Pop, that's not mine, so y'all know that's his. This is to make, he's gonna make sandwiches. We got some cold, whatever this is, stock brew that you can just bring, coffee creamer. This to put in the cooler. I already make some of these. I'm gonna be cutting up these on the chopping block here and rinse them off, and I'm taking these, and I'm trying to think what else. Oh, and this is dinner: asparagus, sweet potatoes, and leftover soup right there. And yeah, guys, that is it. I was sitting here watching, can y'all see Sharon? She's so flat, like her story is beautiful. I really hope and pray that what she's going through is really, God can do anything, but I'm wishing her all the best, like really wishing her all the best. So yeah, so guys, I'm gonna end this video because like I said, getting ready to eat dinner, gotta put the groceries up, making sandwiches, and I already took my bag out, so all I have to do now is just, the bag is already down. I got my travel pillow here, and I just gotta find some stuff to wear. So guys, I will see you all in another video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, really. So don't forget, love yourself so that you love others, so this world will be a much better place. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye, y'all. Bye. I had to come back. Look how large and look how big these strawberries are. Look at my hand. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? This is really funny. Oh my gosh.